Welcome to this course about React. It's great to have you on board. My name is Maximilian Schwarzmüller and I'm a freelance web developer and React developer. I worked with React a lot and I can tell you it's an amazing library for creating highly reactive and super fast JavaScript-driven web applications. The JavaScript-driven part is especially important because since React is a JavaScript library, it's of course about writing your web apps in JavaScript. And that in turn is amazing because since JavaScript runs in the browser, it allows you to create super fast web apps that feel like mobile apps. Users don't have to wait for page reloads. Now React is probably the most popular JavaScript library you can learn these days, and for a good reason. You will learn all of its core features throughout this course and way more than that. You will learn what React is about, how it works, and why you might want to use it. You will learn how to build components with React, how to use Redux for better state management, how to use the React router, and you'll not just learn this in simple projects or theory. No, we will build an entire React application throughout this course, the Burger Builder, which is an amazing application utilizing all the concepts you learn in this course so that you have a really solid understanding of all the concepts taught throughout this course. By the end of the course, you'll therefore have way more than just a solid understanding of React, and you'll be able to dive deeper into more challenging projects and apply for React developer jobs or become a React developer as a freelancer, whatever your goal is.